Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney and this is Doodle Dollars. Today I'm going to be playing in my yearly savings binder. I do have some Happy Meal here first, so we're going to get into that, and I'm going to show you guys a couple new products that I will be launching in my Etsy store this week. Alright, so with the new products, I have two here. I have this one, it's just a little mini matte laminated challenge here that says, "You're my lucky charm." You decide what you want for each circle, what you want to save for each circle, and if it's $1, you'll save 60. And then this one is a little cute little scratch off. You save 60 plus, I should have said 60 plus, because the circles you also roll. So it is a more high numbers one, but sometimes, I don't know, sometimes I want those for specific challenges or instances. All right, getting into some Happy Meal here, we have Agape Book Club with some February stuff here. Let's see. That's cute. Save $1 per heart. A little Valentine's Day card. And then we have this February Tiny. And we have this one with this adorable little squirrel that saves 30. All right, so thank you, Greta. This is so cute. I'll add that to my scratch off binder somewhere. All right, next we have more from Greta here. I believe this is pen pal mail, maybe. All right, we have some fun stickers. Happy Valentine's Day, pen pal. So that's cute. Save per letter, so probably $1. This adorable tiny with these love birds, and we have this one that just says love, roll and save, or save per heart. Okay, cute. So we will add those to our pen pal binder. I do need more stuff from her, so perfect timing. All right, then we have Toria's Budgets. This is her Ko-fi perk for the month of February. All right, oh, this is a cute little bag. We have some fun heart here, a fun heart sticker, and this little sticker. Start a book club, read books, visit the library. All right. So amounts are 2 to 8 on the scratcher. We have tinies, as always. So cute. We have some minis here. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. Happy Valentine's Day. Be My Valentine. This one is so cute. I love that one. And then this little game board here. Candy, the way to my heart. Yes. Oh my gosh, look. It's a dashboard scratcher. I love this. It says Courtney, which is my name. And then we scratch off amounts 2 to 8 here. I love this. This is so cute. Thank you, Toria. All right, next here from Amanda, we have a surprise Valentine gram for a lovely creator like yourself. All right, so we have some stickers here, Lilo and Stitch and Beauty and the Beast. Then we have this mini scratcher, which saves 25. And oh, it's like a little Valentine's Day card. Friends light up my life. That is so cute. Thank you, Amanda. That's adorable. I love that so much. What a fun idea. And then we have this one, which is her member perk. All right, so her card, thank you card. We have some minis here from Amanda. Ooh, travel theme. Okay, I love that. Those are cute. And then this one is also travel theme. Cute. We have the Eiffel Tower right there. Sacré-Cœur, I believe. And then amounts are 2 through 6. Awesome. Love that. Thank you so much, Amanda. I'll be adding that to my scratch off binder. And then our last piece of mail here is from Secret Budgeter. So we have, oh, and she sent some more challenges from King Budgeter, which is her boyfriend. And so we have these two. These are beautiful. And this like mushroom, what is this, like little mushroom gremlin or something? And then we have this one, this beautiful girl with some flowers, some French fries. Love it. Oh, and you roll different dice. That's so cool. This bakery one and this strawberry one. We get to color in the strawberries. Thank you, Secret. So I'll add that to my pen pal binder for her. All right, and that's all the Happy Meal I have. So let's get into our savings. We left off last time on car repairs. Now, I didn't film this video last week, so I just moved the amounts over to today. So I have extra money here. I have $240 because I'm doing 120 each week. So let's do some of this for February. Winsdays. Let's do a couple of these. Let's see. Let's do 4 and 11 for 15. That'll take care of a couple of those weeks. So 15 going in here. And actually, I'm going to sub these out for 20. All right. And then this one is from LV Budgets, I think. And then this one is from Rainbow Budgets. So we're going to spin and we're going to see which one we're scratching off today. All right, we're going to do the Nissan truck. This one right here. And let's see how much we're saving. Okay. So we got $31 to save with this one. 20, 30, and 1. Awesome. So fun. All right, next up is my cell phone. This is my yearly cell phone bill. I have this little extra card here from Kimberly that I'm going to scratch. So this is, $20. Okay. So we're going to save an extra 20 in here today. And then we have January still to finish on this. Okay, that's 2, that's 8, so that's $10 for January that we finished up here. Let's start February. Let's at least do 1. Okay, 14. So I did pay my cell phone, guys. It was due last week, so we're starting over. That's why there's no money in this envelope anymore. I emptied it out. All right, so we have 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, next up we have the dentist challenge here. This one is by 4 Dizzy Birds. It saves $125. So how are you guys doing though? How's your week been? I hope you guys have had a great week so far. We're gonna do 2 just because we have extra money today. So 18. Put 2 back and grab a 20. So now we have 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Oh, you know what? Let me just put all this back. And we'll grab this last 20. Perfect. So Aria and I have been on midwinter break this week. It's been going well. She's had a couple days here at home, and then she went to camp today, and then she'll go to camp again tomorrow. All right, let's do 11 and 12 for this one by Budget with Amanda. So that would be a total of 23. 10, 20, 1, 2, 3. All right. So we have 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3. 33 for that. And then our other challenge for our emergency fund is in my binder here. So let me get that out. I went to the gym today while Aria was at camp, which felt so good. I haven't been going a ton recently. I need to figure out my schedule again, but all right, so we are working on this February challenge here. This one is by Oh Mama Budget, and let's just cross out the rest of these cherries. So that's $7. Let's do 8, 9, and 10. We'll see if we can finish this in the month of February. I don't know, guys. This money's going quick. It is going. All right, and I did have to pull some. Again, I'm saving for my car, but I did pull that money from emergency fund, and I did put it towards my car. The one that the money that we had saved so far for that challenge. So, which I think is fine. Like I said earlier in one of my videos, I would rather just put stuff towards my car so I can get that paid off before I build up like my emergency fund or money for a down payment. All right, so we're doing 4 of these, which is $8 total. Each one of these is 2. All right, so now we have 10, 15, 20, 25, and 26. Should we scratch one of these? Yeah, let's scratch one of these. All right, that's 4. So now we have 30 in here. All right, not bad. I don't need another eye appointment for quite a while, probably until like December, so we should be good on that. Okay, next we have home maintenance. We are doing this in our binder. So we've been working on, where is it? This one. So let's roll and see how many cat paws we are saving. Each cat paw is $5. So we're doing 3 today. 1, 2, and 3. So that's 15. All right. 5, 10, 15. Let's do a little scratch off. Let's use this scratch off here. All right, that's 10. So we'll add another 10 to that. All right, and we won't do that other scratch off yet. I do want to try to get through my whole binder, so let's see how we do here. All right, this one is medical savings, so anything for the doctor, like more of like an emergency one, not for necessarily like routine stuff, but more so like I need to take Aria to the urgent care, or I need to take myself to the urgent care. We're gonna save up for that. All right, so this pill bottle is $5. Okay. So we have 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, and 3, 23. All right, then we have yearly subscriptions. This challenge is by Bookish Mama Budgets as well. So let's go ahead and do some more February ones. We got 5, 8, let's just finish February, and 9. All right, so 22, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. All right, so now we have 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 46, and we are done with February, so yay. All right, let's do car insurance because we haven't done this one yet. This is due in April. So we do have a decent amount saved in here. We have been multiplying these together and saving that amount. So let's do that. All right, let's do this 3 times 5 right here for 15. I think we can do that today. Boop, we'll put that little car right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And let's see how much we have now for our car insurance. We need about $1,000 by April. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 4, 6, 8. So 780. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 795 is what we have. Awesome. All right, back to car repairs. Let's see what else we can do here. Maybe we can finish out February. Let's see, what do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. $18 for car repairs right here. Because technically today is the 18th, so that'll be fine. All right, but we're not going to do the other one. And I have $2 left. so let's just go ahead and put it in here. Let's just, you know, it'll be quick and easy. We'll put it towards our eye exam because each one of these is 2. All right, there we go. All right, so now we're all caught up. I feel good about that. I felt bad about missing last week. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like and a comment down below. Go head over to my Etsy store. Check out these new products for St. Patrick's Day that I will be listing here shortly. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I will see y'all later. Bye.